Well, hello and welcome to another V's Cards video. My name is Veronika Cuic and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. And in this video we're going to do some simple stamping and I'll give you a bonus card as well. Okay, let's get started. Here is a quick look at the products that you'll need for this project. I'll have a link in the description below of the full product list. And here is a closer look at the stamps we'll be using. The Planted Paradise stamp set has 20 physical stamps, but you can use both sides. So the back side is actually a shaded block and the front side has more detail. But for this simple project, we're only going to use the detailed side. To make things move quickly and smoothly, I'm going to first mount my stamps onto my acrylic blocks. It helps to use your piercing mat behind your project so that your stamps get a nice spring, creating a clear ink coverage. So I used this card as one of the 3 projects for our class last time and the girls proved to love it. The only thing is we used a different colour cardstock which was a little bit darker and I thought I'd change it up for this video. Before you stamp the different plant images, you're going to need to mask the top part of the plant pot. So I made a funny mistake when I was peeling the backing of the masking paper. I used the backing and couldn't figure out why it wasn't sticking onto the cardstock. Then I rummaged around to find the peeling of the actual masking paper and sure enough it stuck. Bear in mind you will need to adjust the masking paper slightly as the top of the pot image isn't perfectly straight as normal pots aren't that perfectly straight. Tear off the end of the masking paper just after the image so that you're able to ink up the plants and have them positioned over the actual pot. As I'm stamping the different plants, I'm using first and second generation stamping. So the closer ones are looking a little bit more inkier and the ones that appear to be more from a distance are second generation stamped. As I mentioned earlier, I did change up the cardstock colour. Originally I used wild wheat. It is normally not the colour I would use as a card base. And I did experiment anyhow. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section, would you ever use wild wheat as your card base for a SIP card? At this point you can leave the card as is or you can add some bling. A quick shout out to the participants of my classes. If you are interested in coming along to join us, you are most welcome. Send me an expression of interest in an email. I'll have that in the description below. And now crafters, it's time for a bonus card using my favourite stamp set. Yes, I know it's retiring, but that's okay. I'm going to hold on to my stamp set and keep it for as long as I like. I am so excited to finally get my own copy of the new annual catalogue. If you are purchasing Stampin' Up products using me as your demonstrator and would like a copy of the catalogue, please reach out to me and I'll send you one out to your address. Or if you're a class participant or your local, come by and pick yours up. Gifting you with a copy of a catalogue is a small way of saying thank you for purchasing from me. Your business is most appreciated. For this bonus card, I'm going to use a strip of masking paper first. I'm going to line it up and add it to the card front, and then I'm going to stamp while it's still on. Then I will peel it off and stamp the sentiment exactly where I've had the masking tape. I think the simplicity of a SIP card should never be underestimated. Sometimes all we need is a few products to put together a lovely card in minutes or seconds. I encourage you to explore the potential of each of your stamp sets to see if you can make both detailed cards as well as simple quick cards on the go. Which ones lean more towards quick cards and which ones don't? Find out if you can make the one stamp set do both for you. Thanks for watching this very short video tutorial. I hope you liked it and that I've inspired you. Please send me a comment in the comment section to tell me a bit about how I've inspired you, or you are most welcome to offer me some suggestions for future videos. See you in the next video. In the meantime, take care and happy crafting.